The nature versus nurture debate is within the field of psychology. It is concerned with the extent to which particular aspects of behavior are a product of either inherited or acquired characteristics. Nature is what we think of as a pre-wiring and is influenced by genetic inheritance and other biological factors. Nature is innate and it's with you from when you were born. When you are born, your characteristics are passed down from birth, from your family lineage. Your environment does not influence you, only your genes and your DNA. So, characteristics when you are younger and differences were not observable at birth, but that emerge later in life are through the product of maturation. Nurture deals with your surroundings and influences from your environment. Nurture is generally taken as the influence of external factors after conception, the product of exposure, experience, and learning on an individual. Back in the 1960s to the 1970s, two psychologists agreed with nurture as shaping characteristics. Bandura, the social learning theory, states that aggression is learned from the environment through observation and imitation, as seen through his famous Bobo doll experiment. And Skinner believed that language is learned from other people via behavior shaping techniques, as seen through his famous experiment, the operant conditioning box.
Jennifer,
Hey Josh, what's up?
I have a question for you, and it's your stance on a debate.
Ugh, I hate taking stances, but okay.
Okay, since you're a psychology major, I was reading up on how we're shaped as human beings, and I came across the nature versus nurture debate, and I kind of wanted to know what you think.
I mean, I always hated this debate, but if I had to choose a stance and take a side, I think I would choose nature.
Okay, cool. So, I'm on the nurture side, so now we can have a debate.
Okay.
So, you start.
Well, if we are scientifically speaking, us humans are animals, so therefore we will have certain animal instincts that we will produce.
Okay, interesting.
So we will naturally have certain animal instincts that shape us into the people that we are.
Keep going.
I mean, genetics and hormones contribute a great deal into shaping who we are and why we act the way we do.
But don't you think nurture could also shape the way we act, too?
I mean, I do. I think it's both nature and nurture that shapes us into who we are. But you asked me to pick a side, so I wanted to debate nature since most people, I feel, would only think nurture contributes to who we are as individuals.
Yeah, I think it's more nurture than nature, to be honest.
Okay, so now you tell me why you think it's mostly nurture that makes us who we are.
Well, we experience a lot in our lives, and that shapes our personality, our outlook on life, and the way we interact with other people.
I mean, isn't our personality deeply rooted in our DNA, though?
No, it totally is, but okay, so have you ever heard of epigenetics?
No, what's that?
Wow. So basically some of our genes get turned on or off depending on our environment. So yes, our personality is deeply rooted on our DNA, but our surroundings and what we have to deal with on a daily basis also affects our genetics.
Okay, I mean, I never really thought about it like that before, so that's pretty interesting.
Do you have anything to do later today?
Yeah, I have to go today for pre-calc and chem, so this was a fun debate, and I'll talk to you later.
Adios.
Bye.
My stance is that I believe both nature and nurture influence the person you are today. After my research, I came across epigenetics, which is above genetics, and it has to do with how nature and nurture interact. While yes, you will have characteristics from birth that will be passed down from your family lineage, you will also have outside factors that shape who you are today. Your environment, love, exercise, eating, and interactions with people can all influence your characteristics. Nurture. Also, as you mature, your DNA can alter, which allows you to see characteristics you have never seen before as you become an adult. Nature. So I believe both nature and nurture are influencers to the person you are today.